Hello and welcome back. We're just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle number 164. If we start with this box, we're missing 1, 3, and 6. We've got a 1 here, so 3, 6, 1 here, so 3, 6. That means that our 1 has to be here. For this column now, we need 2, 6, and 8. We've got 2 and 8 here, so this is our 6. 8 here, so 2, 8. For this box now, we need 1 and 2, and I don't see any help. So 1, 2, 1, 2. For this column, we need 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. For this box now, we need 5 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 5, 8. For this row now, we're missing 1 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 1, 7. For this box, we need 2 and 5, and I don't see any help. So 2, 5, 2, 5. For this row, we're missing 3 and 5. We've got a 3 here, so 5, 3. For this box now, we're missing 1 and 6, and I don't see any help. So 1, 6, 1, 6. For this column, we're missing 6, 7, and 9. We've got 7 and 9 here, so this is our 6. 7 here, so 9, 7. For this box now, we're missing 6, 7, and 8. We've got a 7 covering these two boxes, so our 7 must be here, but I don't see any other help. So 6, 8, 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 6, 8, and 9. We've got 8 and 9 here, so this is our 6, 8 here, so 9, 8. For this box now, we're missing 2, 3, and 5. We've got a 3 here and a 5 here, so this is our 2. That 5 makes this our 3, 5. That 5 makes this our 2, 5. For this column now, we're missing 1 and 6. We've got a 6 here, so 1, 6. That 1 makes this our 2, 1. And coming back down here, that 3 makes this our 6, 3. For this row now, we're missing 2, 5, and 9. We've got 2 and 5 here, so this is our 9. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 5 here, so 4, 5. For this top row now, we're missing 3 and 8. We've got a 3 here, so 8, 3. That 8 makes this our 6, 8. That 6 makes this our 1, 6. And for this box now, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1 and 9. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will see you back here again tomorrow with our next puzzle.